First in the world, right here. Hello, my Rover friends. What you are seeing is two snorkels, something that hasn't been done yet. We're going to see if the Octa Snorkels can be retrofitted to a V8. The Ultimate 90 has been missing snorkels. It makes me crazy, especially all the dust and dirt we go through, so I wanted to get a set on. The only thing is I don't know if they're gonna fit. These are an updated snorkel. They attach different, but the instructions look very similar, so hope I didn't spend a lot of money on nothing. Cue the intro. All right, we're gonna start off here on the driver's side, left-hand side. Passenger side's got a little ding in it from some off-road use. And I wanna make sure that the Octa Snorkel is an exact match for the older Defenders. We need to get off this molding. Gotta take this plastic piece off. I'm gonna get my trim tool. And you can slide that out of the way. There's a rivet that goes in there, a riv nut rather. And then we pull this plastic fender. The snorkel has a new mounting system with little clips on it and a bolt. So I hope it fits. Let's get to work. Right here at the top of the pillar is this little sticker. We want to get that out of the way, like so. Then we're able to put in our little riv nut. And then in the instructions, you're supposed to put a washer on this side so that you can kind of level out the distance as you tighten it down to the vehicle. So I'm gonna get my tool with the washer and we'll install it. All right, there's my little washers I was talking about. Let's put it in, tighten it down. Not gonna lie, I had to use all of my muscles on that, but the riv nut is in. Time to cut the plastic. Arts and crafts time here at Lucky 8. In the Octa kit, they give us a nice little template to mark the plastic piece. I'm gonna go get it that we have to cut. This is the plastic trim piece I was talking about. The little template that comes with this is extremely nice. Fits perfectly in here if I was any good. There we go. It's got a little orientation, says top on it, and there's 4 little circles. That's where you need to drill. Make sure it didn't fall. We're gonna drill that out, and then we're just gonna cut out the section in the middle to make room for the upper snorkel mounting point. Now that we have our 4 holes, just make a trapezoid, I think that's what it is. We're gonna cut that out. I'm gonna get my Sawzall. Picasso with a Sawzall. I am available to do birthdays and weddings. All right, let's get this on the car. Next up, it is time to put the snorkel and click it in place. The little tabs here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sure. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, we got to give that one back. That was from the Gotham side vents. Gonna snap in like so. And then there is a bolt location. The instructions say to put some blue Loctite on it, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm not gonna pull the door. I think I can sneak it back through here and get it started enough to tighten it up. Moment of truth, guys, moment of truth. Will this clip in? Love it, love it. First in the world, right here. Well, we gotta do the other side, then I can jump up and down. All right, I'm gonna struggle with that bolt. I'll meet you guys up here in a second and show you how to put the top portion in. Oh, hot damn. And I like the carbon, matches our carbon interior. Next up, we wanna bolt the top section, like I said. It comes with a stainless tamper-proof bolt, but they give you the tamper-proof socket. There's a metal tab up here. That's why we cut out the plastic. Just align that with the rib nut we put in and tighten it down. After I got it tight, I'll bring the camera up and show you what it looks like. We are so close to being done. Right there is what I was talking about. There's the plastic we cut out, the metal tab that holds a snorkel super tight. I like this new design that they have going on compared to the old one where this was a separate piece that kind of slid in. They bolted it to the snorkel itself. Now all we got to do is peel this off and snap on the cap. Lastly is the cap. It seems to be a little bit of a redesign. Before I used to be able to just tap it on straight, but it won't fit that way. You actually now have to hook it up and align these metal tabs right here, and then it catches that double face sticky tape. Normally, I always throw some epoxy on here just to make sure, but given the new design, I wanna see if it comes loose, so we're gonna put it on without the epoxy, but if you're at home using this as your guide, just epoxy it. There we go, job done. I'm gonna knock out the other side and then we'll have a look at this monster. There we have it. Looks so good. I just love that it matches both sides. The gloss black works with the car. Everything is excellent. Let's get it outside, have a walk around and a better look instead of this dirty shop. That's a lot of fun. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and be sure to follow for more Rover content.